Our mix is enriched with a 6-month slow-release feed for sustained growth, with added biochar to extend nutrient availability and aid establishment, reducing transplanting stress. Specially blended to support plant health, this planting mix is supplemented with zinc complex that helps build plant resilience and immunity, enabling plants to better withstand stress, pest and disease. Thoroughly water the plant. Add some compost to the bottom of the pot. Gently tap the pot to remove. Place the plant into the pot with a new compost and fill in the gaps. Then simply firm down and water. For planting out, dig a hole approximately twice the depth and diameter of the root ball. Place the plant in the hole with the new compost and fill in the gaps. Firm in and water. Westland specialist planting and potting mixes are blended to meet specific plant needs and support plant health, strengthening plants from the inside out.